This is what my backyard looks like at night, and it is 10:46 at night.
So this is the video quality of the CX410 at night, and this no lights.
Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Reolink finally made one. A low light sensor, wired IP PoE NVR camera, the Reolink CX410. This is actually what I've been waiting for. Thank you Reolink for sending me this camera to be reviewed. And also starting June 19th to July 5th, Reolink is celebrating its 14th anniversary sale. And they will have discounts up to 40% off. I will link their sales page down below so that you can check it out. Now, this CX410 is part of Reolink's ColorX line, which there's no more infrared night vision. This camera will always record in color, and because of its 1.0 aperture and a bigger sensor, it can easily see at night. But it also has 3000 Kelvin adjustable warm light, max of 400 lumens bright, that can supplement the camera in very dark situations. I'll show you the camera light modes later in this video. Now, this camera is not 4K. It has a 4 megapixel sensor recording at 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution at 30 frames per second. It has an 89 degrees horizontal field of view and a vertical field of view of 46 degrees. It has the usual smart detection of Reolink, persons, vehicles, and pets. It has two-way talk and siren. Now, this is a wired camera, PoE or Power over Ethernet. Or you can connect this directly on the back of Reolink's NVR. And as to storage, it has local recording and no subscription, and can record 24/7 motion events or scheduled to a microSD card inserted in the camera itself, up to a 256GB card, and or to the Reolink NVR. This is weatherproof with an IP66 rating and temperature working range of 14 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And if set up by itself and not on the back of the NVR, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Inside the box, you will get a quick start guide, a window sticker, Ethernet lid installation guide, and a mounting template. We have the camera itself, bullet type, and all metal. We have the camera lens, and we got 4 supplemental lights. On the bottom, we have the mic and the speaker. And on the back is a screwed-in cover that covers the microSD card slot. And for connection, we have an Ethernet port, an optional 12-volt DC port if connecting directly to your router and not a PoE switch or on the back of the Reolink NVR. And we have the reset button. It also comes with a short Ethernet cable, mounting screws and plastic anchors, and we have the waterproof Ethernet lid. Time to install this. Before that, I'll be putting in a microSD card. I'll be setting this up using a PoE switch, so I just need to connect the camera to one Ethernet cable for power and data. Tuck the wires in and screw in the camera using the 3 included screws. Position the camera and tighten the screw collar to lock it in place. To set this up, open up the Reolink app, and when your phone is connected to the same network and have toggled in the app settings to add devices automatically, just go to your camera list and scroll down and you will see an initialized device. Click on it, create a device password, name your camera, and it should be connected. Let's check the settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see snapshots from your cameras. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up pretty quick. You can pause the live view, listen in, take a snapshot, or record the live view. You can change the quality of the live view from clear, balanced, or fluent. And you can change the view to landscape mode. On top, you can manually turn on the siren, or turn on the spotlights. On the bottom, you can start two-way talk, which is full duplex. Playback is where you will see the recorded events, and you can sort it out by person, vehicle, or pets. And this is where you can download video clips to your phone. Now make sure you're downloading in clear mode for the highest resolution. Click the gear icon for the camera settings, and I'll show you the video quality. And in clear mode, it records in 2560 by 1440 up to 30 FPS. Default is 25, and you can change the bitrate from here. You can change the frame rate mode, and let's go to the light, spotlight, and you change the brightness here. And on the modes, we have spotlights off, and we have night smart mode. The light will turn on when it detects an event at night, which you can set which motion, person, vehicle, and or pets. We have a timer mode, and the lights will turn on in your set schedule. We have auto mode, which will depend on the ambient light. In this mode in my backyard, which has some ambient lights, the spotlights will not turn on. So I use the smart mode where the light automatically adapts the brightness and turns on when it detects an event. And you can also set which AI events. And as to detection, this is the same like other Reolink cameras. It has detection zones, motion sensitivity, and also separate sensitivities for persons, vehicles, and pets. And on the recording, you can schedule it to record AI events only or any motion, or set the timer to record 24/7. And you can also customize your notifications to only AI events that you want. Time to do some testing.
This is the video and audio quality of the Reolink CX410 and video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Try that test.
Alright, so just to provide some context, this is what my backyard looks like at night, and it is 10:46 at night, and this is what it looks like. I have some ambient lights from my neighbors. I initially installed this camera facing my back fence, but it also faces my neighbor's floodlights, and you will get this light glare. But as you can see, it still can see my back fence. Anyways, to properly test this without too much light pollution, I reinstalled this in where I test Wi-Fi cameras.
So this is the video quality of the CX410 at night, and this no lights. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the video quality of the Reolink CX410 at night, and this is in smart mode. So the lights will adjust just enough to give me some light. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright, so this is the video quality of the Reolink CX410, and the spotlights are on. It is in smart night vision mode, but I've set it to the lowest brightness. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30.
We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Reolink CX410, and I'm on my LTE connection, and it is 1225. Let's check it out. That's pretty quick, and we press and hold. There's no rich notification, but when you click on it, it should get you to live view, and it does load up pretty quick. It just turned 12:26, and you can set the notification interval, and I think the most that you can do is every 20 seconds. So let's check it out again. It's past 20 seconds, so I should get a notification again. There you go, just like that. Cool. Let's check the detection distance again on the Reolink CX410. I've tested this at 50 feet and I got a notification. Let's see about 40 feet right here. There you go. 100 sensitivity set to the highest. There you go. You can see me right there, and person detection. Cool. All right, so just for fun, I'm gonna check how far distance-wise it can detect me, the CX410, at night, and because it has a good night vision. So let's see. 40 feet. Oh yeah, turned on. Detected me at 40 feet. Dang. Cool. And that's the lowest brightness actually on the light, so you could barely see it.
This is the audio quality coming out from Reolink's CX410. This is the audio quality coming out from Reolink CX410.
Well, finally, Reolink made a low-light camera. I wish it is 4K, but I have a feeling that there will be a 4K version of this coming out soon. Video quality for a 2K Quad HD though is still pretty good. And I really like how it can see at night with just ambient lights. And I like that it has different modes on the spotlights, so that you can dial it down depending on where it is monitoring. And I will definitely be upgrading probably half of my NVR cams to this model, especially my side yards and also the one or two in the front. Reolink also didn't price this an arm and a leg like other brands. This is a pretty affordable low-light camera for an NVR or IP camera system. I'll be doing a comparison video of this to the Tapo Color Pro in my future videos. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.